Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I inform, educate and entertain through series of creative and valuable content. In this video I'll be sharing how you can watch videos online and get paid. I've already made videos on how you can get paid taking surveys, teaching English language, reading and reviewing books, answering questions online, answering homework questions from students, uploading photos and typing. I'll be leaving their link in the description box below for your perusal. If you are interested, do check them out. If you are a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. If you are new here, you are welcome. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos on business and personal development. Let's get started. The first website I'll be sharing is inboxdollars.com. Here, you earn cash online by watching videos and taking surveys. For a start, you will earn $5. All you have to do right now is to input your email address, your password, and confirm. They've paid over $80 million in cash rewards. This is how it works. Brands pay for consumer input. They recruit members. These members do online activities and earn real cash. On inboxdollars.com, you earn real cash, not points. This is how you will earn free cash. You take paid online surveys. Most online surveys for money pay from 50 cents to $5 and take 3 to 25 minutes to complete. On inboxdollars.com, you watch videos, get rewarded for playing games, cash back for online shopping, get paid to read emails, and so much more. This is on inboxdollars.com. They've been around since 2000. Since the year 2000 and paid over $80 million in cash rewards to its members for doing everyday online activities like reading emails, taking online surveys, playing games, watching videos, and watching television. This is inboxdollars.com. If you are interested, do check them out. You get an instant $5 as bonus if you sign up today. The next website where you can watch videos and get paid is on ToonGaga.com. This is a great news for those in Nigeria. What is ToonGaga? It is a platform that pays you money for watching online videos. All you have to do right now is to create your account. How to start earning on ToonGaga is to download the Android application to have awesome experience. How does it work? It's really easy. After you create an account, you will be sent an activation code on your email. You watch a short video on ToonGaga TV, then get paid 164 naira to 329 naira. You can choose to work on the free plan. You watch an ad by logging in to watch a short video. You make money and get paid. When you refer a friend to, you get paid. Let's check out how you can apply. This is where you register. At the top right hand corner, click on the 3 lines at the top right hand corner. Click on register. This is where you will register at toongaga.com. Enter your username and all the required fields and click register. If you want to refer your friends and get paid, you will click on the referral program. You refer your friends and get paid. This is where you can double your earnings with their referral programs. Invite friends and start earning up to $120 per referral or 5% of the subscription amount. Here is how it works. You share your referral link and 5% subscription bonus. It is easy and convenient. This is on ToonGaga.com. Next is Enably. On Enably.com, digital rewards and gift cards are made easy. You earn instant rewards by completing tasks, watching videos, and taking surveys. It's that easy. All you have to do right now is to sign up. You complete offers and get rewards. They reward members with instant cash and free gift cards for completing simple tasks, watching videos, and answering surveys. You redeem your points for instant cash rewards or free gift cards from your favorite brands and retailers. There is something for everyone: cash payments, gift cards, wallet codes, and many more. You earn more when you invite your friends. All you have to do is to share your unique referral link with your friends, family, and followers, and you earn 10% of their earnings for life. This is on enably.com. The next one is Swagbucks. On swagbucks.com, you joined for free. Input your email address, your password, and confirm. You can sign up with Facebook or with Google. You get free gift cards and cash for the everyday things you do online. Here is how it works. You can shop online, watch entertaining videos, search the web, answer surveys, and find great deals to earn your points. This is on swagbucks.com. They've paid their members over $619,679,635. This is on swagbucks.com. The last but not the least website where you can watch videos and get paid is Cashkick. On cashkick.com, cash is the greatest reward. Here, you will be paid into your account for all the fun things you are already doing online, like answering surveys, finding great deals, watching videos, and surfing the web. You get paid directly to your PayPal account. This is on Cashkick.com. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. You find and complete your mission. From answering surveys to watching videos, there are always great, easy tasks for you to choose from. Complete as many as you would like. There is no limit. You watch the earnings grow in your account. You catch out early, easily, and often. This is on Cashkick.com. If you're interested, do check it out. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful. Please like, share, and give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, consider doing that. The link is in the description box below. I will see you in my next video. Cheers to your success. Bye bye.